Have you ever wondered how an AI can go from knowing nothing about a game to beating the world's best players in just a few hours? Or how it can write an essay, compose a song, or even create stunning art in seconds? What's the secret behind this incredible speed? Let's dive into what makes AI learn so fast. And hey, if you love demystifying technology like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. First, let's get one thing straight. AI doesn't learn like a human. We learn through years of experience, schooling, and social interaction. Our learning is a slow, gradual process, limited by our biology. We need sleep, food, and breaks on time. And AI, it has none of these limitations. It can run 24/7, processing information at a speed we can't even comprehend. Imagine reading every book in the world's largest library. That might take you thousands of lifetimes. An AI could potentially do it in a matter of days. This sheer processing power is the first key to its rapid learning. Think of it as having a supercomputer for a brain that never gets tired. The second major factor is the data. AI is incredibly hungry for data. We're talking about massive, mind-boggling amounts of it. When you see an AI that can identify cats in photos, it's not because it understands what a cat is. It's because it has been shown millions upon millions of pictures labeled cat. Through this massive exposure, it starts to recognize patterns, the pointy ears, the whiskers, the shape of the eyes. The more data it gets, the more refined its patterns become, and the more accurate it gets. This is what we call training data. In the digital age, we generate an unbelievable amount of data every single second. And this is the fuel that powers AI's learning engine. Now, let's talk about the learning method itself. Many modern AIs use a technique called deep learning, which is inspired by the structure of the human brain. It uses something called neural networks, which are layers of interconnected digital neurons. When the AI processes data, information passes through these layers. Each layer looks for specific features. For example, in image recognition, the first layer might spot simple edges and colors. The next layer might combine those to recognize shapes like eyes or noses. Subsequent layers combine those shapes to identify a face, and so on. The deep in deep learning refers to having many layers. This layered approach allows the AI to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces and learn incredibly sophisticated patterns. But here's where it gets really interesting: the feedback loop. How does an AI know if it's right or wrong? During its training, after making a guess, it gets immediate feedback. For instance, if it incorrectly labels a dog as a cat, the system tells it, "Nope, that's wrong." The AI then adjusts the connections between its digital neurons to correct that mistake. It does this millions of times, making tiny adjustments with each piece of feedback. This process is called backpropagation. It's like having a tutor who instantly corrects every single mistake you make, millions of times per second. This constant, immediate correction allows the AI to fine-tune its performance with incredible speed and precision. Another mind-blowing technique is reinforcement learning. This is how AIs master. Games like chess or Go, the AI basically plays against itself. At first, its moves are completely random and nonsensical, but it has one simple goal: win the game. Every time it makes a move that leads it closer to winning, it gets a small reward. Every move that leads to a loss results in a penalty. The AI's sole mission is to maximize its total reward by playing millions of games against itself in a very short amount of time. Far more games than any human could play in a lifetime, it rapidly discovers winning strategies. It learns from its own trial and error, but on a massive, accelerated scale. It's not just learning the rules, it's discovering entirely new strategies that human players had never even considered. So, to recap, what makes AI learn so fast? It's a powerful combination of things. First, sheer computational power that runs non-stop. Second, access to enormous amounts of data to learn from. Third, sophisticated learning algorithms like deep neural networks that mimic the brain's structure. And finally, rapid feedback loops and self-play that allow for constant lightning-fast improvement. It's not magic, it's a convergence of brilliant engineering, massive data, and raw processing muscle. AI is changing our world at an incredible pace, and understanding how it learns is the first step to harnessing its power. What do you think is the most exciting application for fast-learning AI? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our future. See you next time.